Musk says his planned $44 billion purchase of Twitter is now postponed. The world's richest man tweeted today, quote, Twitter deal temporarily on hold pending details supporting calculation that spam and fake accounts represent less than 5% of users. The news caused Twitter stock to fall about 20% in pre-trading hours. Musk has been very vocal about wanting to remove spam bots that mimic real people on Twitter. And just days ago, he called that one of his top priorities. So let's bring in ABC News business correspondent Deirdre Bolton for more on this. Deirdre, after this tweet, Musk then tweeted again that he's still committed to the acquisition of Twitter. So what's going on here?
Diane, this is so frustrating for journalists and investors alike. I mean, under normal circumstances, there is no deal on pause. There is no pause button. You're either buying a company or you're not buying a company. If you want to look at this in the larger M&A business context, this is in the Hall of Fame of weird. So, okay, fine. He just tweeted that he's committed to the acquisition. What we do know, if we look at the stock, I mean, it is still below that $54.20 price that is, in theory, the acquisition price. So it just shows you that Wall Street investors not entirely really convinced, even when Elon Musk said he would buy the company, that this deal was going to go through.
Now, Elon Musk sends out a tweet like this and the stock falls. It has rebounded a little bit since the market opened, but we've seen that pattern before. Could he be trying to make the company cheaper as he tries to buy it?
Put it this way, it would certainly not hurt what he is trying to do. That would be highly, highly questionable if it were found that he did put that tweet out for that sole purpose. I mean, the SEC would look into it. He has gotten his wrist slapped before by the SEC for something you may remember going back to Tesla and tweeting out that he had secured certain financing. So it wouldn't be the first time that he has skated very close and or over the line. I think he paid a $40 million fine a few years ago for basically posting something that he should not have posted. $40 million to Elon Musk is like our coffee budget, Diane. So just putting it in context, it didn't really hurt him that much.
By the way,
yeah,
our coffee budget's not doing so well right now. Deirdre, and what do we know about this calculation of how many bots are on Twitter, and why is that number now in question?
It remains open why he is particularly focused on this, although he has said, listen, this is an important metric for him personally. If you look at academic studies, there are people who say, okay, maybe 15% of the users are bots on Twitter. That is really up for debate. It's up to data scrapers who go through this kind of material. There was a Reuters print this morning saying that there was about less than 5% were actually bots. But, you know, Elon Musk has said, this is my #1 priority if and when I do take over, is cleaning up the bots. The one thing I would just retain here is that if he does walk away from this, there is a $1 billion breakup fee. And I just want to highlight, this is basically the one concession that Twitter got out of him. If Elon Musk walks away from this, he owes $1 billion. But actually, $1 billion for Twitter would kind of be significant. I mean, they're making between $3 and $4 billion of operating profit per year. So $1 billion actually could help them out. So in a weird, strange world, even if Elon Musk walks away, maybe then Twitter gets $1 billion and they fix their own bot problem themselves. Just one of many, many, many possible scenarios.
So many variables.
This is unlike anything that anyone in the business community has ever seen.
Well, it's entertaining at least. And
there we go.
And it gives us an excuse to have you here, Deirdre. Thank you.
Exactly. Lovely to see you.
Deirdre Bolton, great to have you as always.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.